a super easy way to speed manifest money. Yesterday, I decided to activate my money magnetism. You always hear, I'm a money magnet, but do you ever activate it like an electromagnet? So yesterday morning, I decided to spread out my arms and I said, I am a money magnet, and now I activate my magnetism and attract all that money out there. And then I ran around my kitchen and I did the money grab. So I just reached out, grabbed the money. I ran all the way around my kitchen, grabbed the money. And in my head, I was only grabbing $100 bills. And then I forgot about it. I went to work at my desk. I work at home. I sat down in here and I went about my business. And a couple hours later, I got a Venmo notification that someone had just paid me $300. I didn't know they were going to. Didn't know they were ordering. It was awesome. So I wanted to share that with you.